Hey you all, this is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. My son and I made a fishing trip to the Gulfstream during Christmas time. We boarded the boat at Calabash, North Carolina. We saw a beautiful sunrise from the horizon. The ocean was calm and the weather was warm. It took about 3 hours to arrive at the Gulfstream. Because so many amberjack and amberjack, unfortunately they were off season at the time, so no dinner for this fish. We caught more than 10 different kinds of fish during this trip. So far, this is the most fish species ever caught in a single trip. I hope I can break this record in the near future. As your Captain Chef, today I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called fish flour in egg custard. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Let's get started. After removing the scale, fillet the sea bass and leave the skin on. Cut the piece off for every 4 slices. Slice the meat into strips. Rinse the fish well in the cold, salty water. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon scallion and ginger flavored cooking wine, 1 egg white, and thoroughly mix all the ingredients. Coat all the fish pieces with cornstarch. Hold the fish on the skin and dip in boiling water for 5 seconds. Then drop it in ice water. Here comes blooming flour made from fish. Prepare 2 eggs. Add some starch and mix well. Add twice as much water into the egg. Filter the egg mixture. Cover the bowl with saran wrap and steam the egg for 15 minutes. Now add the fish flavors on the egg. Steam for another 3 minutes. You need pepper and garlic. Add garlic in the wok. Add peppers and keep stirring fry. 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Add the sauce on the fish. Add the shredded scallion on the sauce. Finally, pour some hot oil on the sauce. This is the fish flour in egg custard I'm talking about. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. The subscription is free and your support will help the channel to grow. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.